Dear Dennis, we knew each other for over 35 years. We really were great friends. We loved each other and we really had a hell of an adventure. We started on a musical journey many years ago in the bar rooms of Chicago. We didn't think we'd ever make it out of those bars to the concert stage. But today, the President of Ireland and the Government Minister for the Arts were both writing about the huge impact you had on the world of traditional music.
Chun deire all na chorle cuidadó the radam ceoil TG4, Martin Hayes agus Dennis Cahill.
Grand welcome now, please, to Martin Hayes and Dennis Cahill.
Big Saturday night welcome, please, for Martin Hayes and Dennis Cahill.
Please welcome Martin Hayes and Dennis Cahill.
Nobody before you had ever played those chords and rhythms with Irish music. So many times on stage, you were simply able to read my mind. And I hope that you still can.